You're starting investing in cryptocurrency and just wondering which app is better, Robinhood crypto, Webull crypto, or maybe Coinbase. Let's talk about this. My name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. Before we start, everybody knows the rule. You gotta click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me out. Alright, now let's talk about one very important question when we're talking about cryptocurrency. Why are you investing in a crypto niche? You have two options. A, you're believing in a crypto, you believe that crypto is our future and you want to buy a coin and keep it so at some point in the future you can use this coin to buy stuff online. And B, you just want to trade crypto. You're buying crypto, you're selling crypto when the price is going up and you're making just regular money, United States dollars. And if you really believe in crypto and you want to keep it long term and you're trying to spend crypto, not selling crypto for real money, then you definitely want to choose Coinbase or something else. If we are talking about the second option, which is trading crypto, making money off the price fluctuation, then Robinhood and Webull are actually not that bad. Let's talk about Robinhood first. First of all, Robinhood is a very good app for beginners in stock trading and in crypto trading as well. It doesn't have a huge amount of cryptocurrencies, but it does have main cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course, Dogecoin. And I will tell you more. Robinhood is one of the cryptocurrency apps that will allow you to trade Dogecoin. And as we all know, Dogecoin is booming and Dogecoin is our future. So Robinhood Crypto already won 1 point right here. There are no hidden fees for Robinhood Crypto, at least according to Robinhood. So Robinhood doesn't charge you a dime for your crypto. The biggest cons here is that you don't own your cryptocurrency. Robinhood did say, I actually texted Robinhood to the support and they emailed me back and said that they might allow you to transfer your crypto in the Robinhood app and from the Robinhood app. But right now, at this point, when you're trading crypto on Robinhood, you don't own the crypto itself. So let's say you bought one Bitcoin, right? You cannot transfer that Bitcoin to your own cold wallet or to your friend. You have it in your app, you can sell it. And you're making money only in one way, by selling Bitcoin. So you definitely can't use it in the future unless Robinhood will implement this option. But for right now, they didn't even say when and if they're planning on. They said they want to, but you know, it can be 2 months, 3 years or 10 years, we don't know. So by buying and selling on Robinhood, you can make money by the price fluctuation. So it's pretty much the same rule, buying low, selling high, or buying high, selling low, whatever you prefer. So the same way in just regular stock market, but you don't own the crypto. The biggest pros here, of course, is no fees. And the second biggest pro is that it's easy, and if you already have your account on Robinhood, you don't have to do anything else. You just go and buy it in the app. You don't have to go through this registration. For example, if you register your new account on Coinbase, you have to provide your social security number, you have to provide your ID. So there are a lot of things to do there, and it's a hustle. If you have your Robinhood app and you don't really care about cryptocurrency future, you just want to buy low, sell high, Robinhood is really good for you. Don't even worry about it. And like I said, no fees, they're really good interface. And of course, the most important cryptocurrencies are there, which is Dogecoin number one, Bitcoin, and then Ethereum, at least for me. If you don't think so, just comment down below and say that I'm wrong. Let's talk about Webull right now. Webull just added a cryptocurrency to their app, and you don't own the cryptocurrency that you trade on Webull. So technically you can buy cryptocurrency, you can sell cryptocurrency, but you cannot send it to your own wallet, to your friend's wallet, or you cannot send your own Bitcoin to Webull if you want to sell it, for example. So it's not a wallet, it's just a brokerage where you can buy, sell, and still will own the cryptocurrency. And at this point, again, you definitely don't want to choose Webull or Robinhood if you're trying to buy cryptocurrency and just send it to your own cold wallet somewhere else. But if you're just trying to make quick money by buying low, selling high, Webull is good as well. But let's talk about one thing. In comparison with Robinhood, Webull is a little bit on the dark side right here. They do charge fees. Yes, they do, and it's 100 points basis fees. What is that? Yes, I actually have the same question, and I did do my research, so you gotta hit that like button for me actually doing something and researching things. All right, so 100 points. To make it easier, that 100 points is a 1% roughly in fees. That's it. So if you're buying, and not only for buying, for selling as well. So if you're trying to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, and in Webull and Robinhood you can buy cryptocurrency with as low as $1. So for example, let's think about this situation right here. You're trying to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So Webull will charge you 1%, and guess what? $100 plus 1%, it's $101 right now. You bought a Bitcoin for $101, right? Bitcoin went up to $200, and now you want to sell it. So $200 minus 1%, you have to pay $2 to Webull. So now you made only $97 because technically you paid $1 when you bought a Bitcoin, which is 1% at $100, and then you paid 1% when you're selling Bitcoin at $200, which is $2. So 2 plus 1, 3, and then 200 minus 3, 197. And this is not a big deal because all cryptocurrencies brokerages right there, they're charging you fees, and some of them are huge. For example, Coinbase will charge you a huge fee. And the funniest thing that the less money you actually invest in Coinbase, right? Let's say you're buying a Bitcoin for $10, the higher fees are. And it doesn't matter how much you pay, there is a 100% fee that Coinbase will charge you is 0.5%. So here we are, we're already paying 0.5% when you're buying or selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase. And then it depends on the amount of cryptocurrency you're trying to buy. So pretty much Coinbase will charge you 2% for your purchase. And again, of course, in comparison with Robinhood and Webull, Coinbase is a much better choice for cryptocurrency because you can buy and you can actually transfer. But again, when you're transferring, technically Coinbase doesn't charge you a fee. But with cryptocurrency, if you didn't know, for transferring somewhere, you actually have to pay a fee. And sometimes that fee is kind of high. And again, if you're just buying and selling to make money as you do with stocks, let's call it trading, there is no point for paying that extra fees to transfer to your cold wallet. So for me, Robinhood and Webull, there are two great platforms for cryptocurrency unless you want to actually keep it for a long term and you want to use it at some point in the future. Like I said, guys, don't overthink this. Don't listen to what people are saying. Of course, it's not for everyone. If you don't want to keep, you don't believe in a cryptocurrency, you don't want to use it in the future, you just want to buy it low, sell it high, not a problem at all. Just use Robinhood and Webull, especially if you have these accounts already set up. Just save your time, no hustle, just use the same account with the same information that you have right there. So easy and so simple, and the best part, it's quick. With Robinhood, at this point, I guess it's winning because it's zero commission, but we never know. At least I didn't find any information about cryptocurrency commission, but at the same time, why would Robinhood do that if they don't make money out of this? Just think about this, right? And Webull have this weird things, 100 points basis, which is roughly 1%. You gotta make your choice. In my opinion, if you never registered a brokerage at all, so let's say you're 18 years old, it's your first account, and you're just debating what to register, Webull, Robinhood, or Coinbase. My choice is definitely Webull. It's a much better bet overall with cryptocurrency and with the stock market as a brokerage. So Webull, no brainer, is #1 app for beginners. And if you want to sign up, I have a link in the description and you'll get 2 free stocks, 1 for registration and 1 for depositing. That's it, guys. If you have any questions, like I said, comment down below. I'm answering all the comments. And before you go to bed, click that like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me out, guys. And hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.